Greetings, Sekhmet's children. This is Sekhmet's Sapphire Sun, coming to you from Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. And today's video is my revised, naturally sweetened, remineralized herbal tooth powder. So if you're interested in making a non-toxic tooth powder that helps with decay or to strengthen your teeth, then stick around. Thank you for subscribing. And those that haven't, don't forget to make sure you like this video. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Thank you for coming back, Sekhmet's children, to Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen, to my revised, naturally sweetened, remineralized herbal tooth powder. And so this is going to be my shaker. We are going to start off with bentonite clay. The reason that I use bentonite clay is because I take a lot of medication because I am a heart patient. And not only am I a heart patient, I also have hypertension. So to give my body a break, this is why I use bentonite clay in a lot of my products. We are going to start off with 1 tablespoon. Because we have other powders we are going to be putting in here. Now the new item I'm using is arrowroot. And I got this from another YouTuber. The name of her YouTube channel is Rain Country, I believe. And so she said she uses arrowroot because she notices that her teeth still get clean and makes her teeth feel really, really smooth. So I'm going to try that. And so I'm going to use a tablespoon of that. I do not use baking soda. Now, if you want to use baking soda, that's up to you. But I'm showing you what I use in my tooth powder. And the reason that I don't use baking soda, because I told you guys before in my deodorant why I don't use baking soda. So make sure you check that video out. I'm going to use clove powder. And I'm not going to tell you the benefits of this because you guys can watch my other tooth powder video. And I will be showing you guys that video later on down the road. So this is what makes it herbal. Another new item is Haritaki. It prevents tooth decay and it also helps if you already have a tooth decay. And so I will be making another video on how to make a mouthwash with this product. This is an Ayurvedic herb. What does that mean? It means it's an herb that the Indian people from East India use in their medicine. It's a very bitter herb, so I'm just going to use a half a teaspoon. You can also add Himalayan crystal salt, but I do not utilize salt because of my heart condition and hypertension. So you can always add or take away anything that I'm using here today. The next herb I'm going to use, these are menthol crystals, and they are part, and they come from a plant. And you don't need a lot because they're very strong. Or you can use an organic essential oil. These are organic, these crystals. So I crushed them up. But you've seen me use these crystals before in other products. So okay. I want you guys to be able to see. So you see? Now we are going to start with the minerals. I am using calcium carbonate because it helps in building the bones and the teeth. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of that. Tablespoon. And my new mineral is magnesium citrate. And the majority of Americans, and the reason I'm using magnesium citrate because it has been compounded with citrus. Citrate is a form of citric acid, which is a form of vitamin C. And this is called pure magnesium citrate. And so I am using this is because because our gums is like our skin. It absorbs minerals and herbs and things like that. So I'm using this because with me having a heart condition, I'm not a doctor. I'm just telling you guys what I do. So don't tell me she said this. I'm telling you why I do it. I did my own research. So I'm going to put a teaspoon. I'm going to put a teaspoon of magnesium citrate in this. Or a scoop, because it comes with a scoop. I'm going to put a scoop of magnesium citrate. So this is a mineral. Usually I put, another item that I'm not putting in here today is the activated charcoal. I just wanted to, I just wanted to change up everything. Now, I am going to use some essential oils. Here's some tea tree oil. And you know, tea tree oil is good for, it's anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and all that kind of good stuff. So I'm going to put a few drops of that in here. And clove is the same thing, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. So my mouth will smell really, really fresh. And to sweeten it up, this is xylitol. It is low glycemic. And I use it because with me having a heart condition, I'm leaning toward being a diabetic. And so because I want it to taste nice, I use xylitol. So I'm going to put a big heaping tablespoon. All right, so we're going to shake it up. And you can always add or take away the measurements. It's up to you. So now we are going to fill my container. And this usually lasts me, 2 to 4 months. Just this little container here. Sekhmet's children, I forgot to tell you about the myrrh gum powder. You'll be able to see in my other tooth powder. Here's the top of it. And all I need to do is just take my spoon. Take my spoon and mix it in there. This is the finished product after I added the myrrh gum powder. Thank you for watching, Sekhmet's children, my revised, naturally sweetened, remineralized herbal tooth powder. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. And those that haven't, don't forget to please comment below this video and let me know, what do you use to make your own tooth powder or toothpaste? And also please tell me what type of videos would you guys like for me to make. I make things for the hair, and the body, and for the home. When I say things for the body and home, like cleaning materials, dishwashing tablets, stuff like that. I don't know how to sew or anything. I know how to throw things together. So thank you so much, Sekhmet's children, for watching. Remember, love yourself unconditionally, without judgment. Until next time.